Hello everyone, and welcome back to day 3 of Clean Week. I am going to be doing a deep cleaning of my master bathroom. It really needs it, as you can see. So I am going to get started by grabbing all the towels and rugs from my bathroom and sticking them in the washing machine to get started. My week-long collaboration partner, Heather McCarthy, is also going to be doing a deep cleaning of her bathroom today. She did hers before mine, and she told me that it took her 2 days to get it done. So you are going to get some serious motivation today.
Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. You'll never feel alone as long as you're with me. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. There's no place on earth I would rather be.
So this little shelf is where I keep all my skincare products. If you have any questions about what I use for my skincare routine, I will make sure that I link a video where I talk all about it up in the cards and down in the description box if you are interested. But I'm just giving this little shelf a wipe down. This is where I like to keep them so that they are easily accessible, but they're not actually sitting on the counter.
My God, I think I might be in love. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. You'll never feel alone as long as you're with me. Get rid of all your
So after I dust and clean the windowsill, I'm going to be cleaning the window with that foaming glass cleaner that I got at the Dollar Tree. You saw that in my video on Monday. I am still absolutely loving it. I'm using it on all my glass and mirrors in my entire house.
Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. You'll never feel alone as long as you're with me. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. There's no place on earth I would rather be. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la la la. Hey, I've got you on my mind. Yeah, you're all that I think about. You know you got me going wild. And what I want is you. Could you come a little closer?
Now that my vanity is finally cleared off, I am trying to get all the dried off toothpaste off of our electric toothbrushes. Seriously, this was gross. I really should keep up with this better.
I want you now, 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 now. Come let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one that I want. I wanna stay here. I wanna stay here with you. I wanna stay here with you. La 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 la.
Now I am moving on to tackle the outside of the cabinets. I am using that Method Wood for Good spray to wipe off all the fingerprints and spills that were on there. I'm not going to be doing the inside of the cabinets, even though this is a deep clean, because I really would like to do a dedicated decluttering video. So if that sounds good to you, please leave me a comment down below and let me know that you would love to see some decluttering inspiration.
Let me down, down, down. It could be you and I. I want you now, 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 now. Come let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one that
After I cleaned my shower door with that same foaming glass spray, I am going to be using this Rain X shower door product. I've been meaning to do this for a long time, and all you need to do is spray some on a cloth, rub it around on the door in a circular pattern, let it dry, and then repeat, and then buff it away with a clean, dry cloth. And seriously, this will leave your door crystal clear, and it's going to repel water when you're in the shower, so it's really going to keep it clean for a long time. Okay, so real quick, I want to take a poll of everyone watching. Do you wear gloves when you are cleaning your bathroom? About 50% of the people I see doing these cleaning videos on YouTube are wearing gloves, and all I can think of is, are you actually washing those gloves when you are done cleaning? It really seems to gross me out because I feel like wearing dirty gloves is just going to spread germs around. So that's why you almost never will see me wearing gloves unless I'm using some sort of abrasive cleaning product, because I'm a nurse. I practically wash my hands for a living. So after I do any type of cleaning of anything gross or dirty, I always give my hands a really good scrubbing. So that is what I'm trying to ask. Are you or are you not wearing gloves when you're cleaning? And if you don't let your toilet brush dry like this, then you definitely should. It makes it a lot less icky than putting a wet brush back into the holder. Now I am going to use this Clorox Clinging Bleach Gel Toilet Bowl Cleaner and my Grout brush to clean the grout in my shower. If you don't have a grout brush, a really sturdy toothbrush will probably work, but this grout brush really gets the job done. So I am going to use this gel toilet bowl cleaner to clean the grout lines in my shower. I thought I had more than I did, but I really only had a little bit left in the bottle, so I didn't get to do the entire floor of my shower, but I did get to do the ones that really needed it the most. So it's really important to get the clinging kind because that is a thicker formula, so it is going to stay in the grout lines. And then after you apply it, you just need to let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes and then go back in and give it a really quick scrubbing. And this works so well. I've done this before on my channel in my very first cleaning hacks video. I actually did my entire bathroom floor. So this is an old hack that I've used for a long time and it still works just as good. So I am almost done here. I am just going to quickly mop the floor with my Shark Steam Mop. So one last thing that I really wanted to do and I almost forgot was to clean off the door. This door was so dusty and it had so many fingerprints and other marks on it. I just wanted to wipe it off with some all-purpose spray and get everything clean.
We started on every turn, keep moving further, and all of my broken bones mend with your love. We never learn, we just keep going until it hurts. We keep it rolling, and all of my broken.
So that is going to wrap up this bathroom deep cleaning and day 3 of a clean week. Don't forget to head over to Heather's channel. She is doing her bathroom deep cleaning today as well. You can find her channel and video linked in the description box, as well as our clean week playlist. I am going to see you guys tomorrow with another brand new cleaning video, so make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss out. Bye!